Greetings, young apprentice. Welcome to the mystical realm of the Wealth Wizard. Today, I shall impart upon you the secret knowledge to enhance your credit score. Brace yourselves for a wondrous journey as we delve into each strategy, filled with practical examples to light your path. Our channel is devoted entirely to imparting the most mystical advice on the art of investing, saving, and growing your riches, so that you may transcend the mundane and achieve true financial enlightenment. So join us, and let us work our magic to help you unlock the secrets to unlimited prosperity. Strategy number 1. Pay your bills on time. Timely payments, the key to unlocking your credit potential. Ensure that your bills, from your trusty credit cards to your mighty loans, are paid before the sun sets on their due dates. Summon the power of automation spells or inscribe reminders in your enchanted diary to never miss a payment. By honoring your commitments, you weave a spell of trust with the credit overlords, positively impacting your credit score. Strategy number 2. Reduce credit card balances. Behold the mystical art of credit utilization. Keep your utilization below 30% of your available credit. Channel your might into repaying outstanding balances, vanquishing debts, and liberating your credit score from the clutches of darkness. Strategy number 3. Avoid frequent credit applications. The dance of inquiries. A delicate balance indeed. Tread lightly, reserving credit applications for truly essential quests, preserving your credit score and enchanting lenders with your prudence. Strategy number 4. Keep all accounts open. Take heed of the ancient wisdom of credit history. Cherish your time-tested accounts, even those no longer in active use. By keeping these accounts alive, you weave a tapestry of credit history, enchanting the credit realm with the depths of your experience. Strategy number 5. Diversify your credit mix. The symphony of credit harmony. Cultivate a varied orchestra of credit instruments, a credit card, a melodious loan, and even a majestic mortgage. This harmonious medley captures the attention of the credit lords, elevating your score to new heights. Strategy number 6. Regularly review your credit report. Pursue the arcane art of credit vigilance. Examine the tapestry of your financial life. Should you uncover an error or discrepancy, raise your voice, beseeching the credit guardians to correct the records. Thus your credit score gleams with truth and righteousness. Strategy number 7. Use credit responsibly. Obtain the mastery of credit sorcery. Wield your credit powers with caution, avoiding the allure of excessive borrowing and enchanting your lenders with timely repayments. Your credit spells, carefully cast, pave the way to financial prosperity as your credit score ascends to celestial heights. Strategy number 8. Communicate with creditors. The art of financial diplomacy. Facing financial hardships? Seek an audience with your creditors. Pour forth your story, expressing your noble intentions to fulfill your obligations. In response, the benevolent lenders extend their hands, offering modified arrangements and the grace to navigate challenging times. Thus your credit journey finds solace, and your score rises like a phoenix. And there you have it, my intrepid companions, the magical secrets to enhancing your credit score. May you wield this knowledge wisely and embark upon a prosperous journey through the mystical realm of credit improvement. I extend my sincerest gratitude for joining me on this enchanting quest. If the magical insights we have unveiled have sparked joy and illumination within your heart, I beseech you to lend your magical support. By liking this mystical video, subscribing to our channel, and sharing your thoughts through the comments below, you shall fortify the bond between us, ensuring that we may continue to weave spells of financial wisdom in the days to come. Remember, young wizard, that you hold the power to manifest a life abundant with riches and success. May your financial dreams take flight, your purse overflow with gold, your debts fade into oblivion, and your life be adorned with everlasting prosperity. Farewell, dear friend, until we meet again on our next magical adventure.